My name is Sunita. I am teaching education for 11 and 12 class. Aikogi human gi mental behavior se ashi kamai tokna develop torokatagi have matamda, that is it is under the process of the sensation, perception and the concept formation. Si lakadabaneba. Aduna sensation hana naina se. What is sensation? Sensation si kadai buko boge. Habdi sensation is the simple and elementary form of consciousness or awareness of the stimulus. Or sensation is the first reactions of mind towards an external stimulus. Habadi karino habamatamda aikogi sense organs sina mathau tawba matamda ihan hana react torok ihan hana contact toroka agi mind sida ihan hana react torok matamda, that is called the sensation. Atu boy koina sensation hana kaweba. Aduna pure sensation dadi kedogi habda there is no definite knowledge or devoid of meaning. There's a meaning to later than magi knowledge later ko. Ihan hana agi mind che ihan hana react torok matam do koina sensation haina kaweb. Sensation has the in and anywhere. Matam amada mafam amada then anywhere mafam I have to topaya sensation has the topaya agi 5 sense organs na magi function story haidi my function story haidi sensation has say adum thokna adum legene sensation ko sensation has ni aduna sensation has the koigi big iba hek pok tangai riba angang phobada magi sensation laiba suppose te koi pok tangai riba angang se pok pada mit tik tang urakte ko mit ti koina after 1 month kumba tarkan da mit develop tore aduna tabada koina sound jodum sensation sound adum tai koin manak ta koina yam hoba makhon ma pak to bun angang makhang bagi mawang adum oi dan mangwanda sort pa kari kra to matam na mangai ta nam kap pa khot pa habidi magi skin gi sensation hawi nigi suppose ma how hire su ko angang je pik tangai yam pi bangang sin koi khoi gum bai yam how na thakpa aduga hidak thakpa gum ma sugat bagi mawang oi that means ma sensation du lei habne aduna di sensation haiba sithi kai dogi haiba matam da sensation is the first and immediate reactions of mind towards an external stimulus. Habani ko sensation haiba se aduna sesida aina koigi sensation si kamai togi haiba matam da 5 sense organs na magi atopa environment sika contact torkan da magi sensed in their separate entities ko in their separate entities du pusalaga koigi sensory center brain da pau pi ba adu ihan number react to matam do adu koigi sensation haina ko weba sei da ina definition am katang hai hoge definition do koigi aina what is sensation haik matam da sensation is the first and immediate reactions of mind aroused by the stimulus hai report say that is kanogi definition according to the Woodward and in pulloin haira age ko definitions of the sensation according to Woodward. Sensation is the first response aroused by a stimulus. Ko asina yam ten khaba sentence ni ko asi se kanan pigi ham tam da Woodward na akhoi gi sensation gi matang da piba dugumba definition ne then mathang da types sensation makhan kya legi habdi yangse 3 types of sensation makhan hom lei ko organic sensation haiba ma then muscular sensation haiba ma spatial sensation haiba ma adudi what is organic sensation kadai buko organic sensation habdi the biological needs bring the physical change in the internal part of the body koi gi haksang gi internal part is the biological needs ki matung ina mon hong bakhar lakpado adu boy koina organic sensation haina ko ba suppose say hungry we lamba power ko filter ko then tris akoi ram khorang ba khara adum power then koi stomach pains koi pukta na bagum ba hek parok pa then indigestion tumbangam da bagum ba sina ai khoda filter kai ngum khara filter pa do ado kai kai have dam da organic sensation haina kawai next muscular sensation muscular sensation habati this type of sensation is experienced in voluntary muscles tendons and joint akoina due to motor movement akoigi hakjang akoina movement of matam se akoigi joint ta akoigi nerve sing sta aduga muscle sing sta akoina kari khar feel tor pado akoi contract of pulling and pushing in bagumba ching bagumba da akoina tang gumba da khara akoi da feel tawai ko asugumba sina kai kai have the muscular sensation haina kawai last king spatial sensation siniko akoigi sensation da akoigi knowledge mayam ai khoi gain tawdoi se asikanai mateng na no hai matam dang asagi the 5 sense organs se Sigi mateng na neba. Akhoi living akhoi human beings na living organisms na magi five sense organs na hek mathau tori ge te. Atopa akhoi environmental level stimulus myam sing se receive to do neba. Receive to do ni mit na ubagi na na ta bagi smai degi mahau lai na mahau khang bagi na ton basmai to na akhoi na ako atopa da lai ba environmental level stimulus myam sing si boy akhoi na receive to do neba. Adu da special sensation haina kawe duna five sense organs na mai mathau tongan tawri sing se tongan tawri sing siboi koina kai kawgi have matam da special sensation haina kawe special sensation is the the five sense organs gi different sensation with their functions tom haige ko ya nam da eye harase eye gi sensation se kai kawgi have matam da visual ko ba adu mai function di kai no seeing ubani ko man tawisa then next ear koi na kong sina kai dori magi sensation se kai mamin kawgi ha matam da hearing. Next number 3 the nose gi magi sensation kai kauri olfactory kawe adu magi function de kai dore magi smelling manam number sini ko. Then next tongue sigi magi sensation du kai kawgi ha matam da gustatory kawe. Then magi function de kai no taste. Then last skin gi sensation du mami koi sensation du kai kaure tactual kawe adu my function ti kari no functions du ji mana touch neba aduna five sense organs gi mateng na ikoi gi external environmental lairiba stimulus myam sing sai koina receptor ga ihan han react tor matam du that is called the sensation. Next characteristics ka haige. Characteristics number 1 the sensation is the simple physical experience of or bodily expressions received from the environment. Habadi sensation is it's very simple loiba ikoi hakjang gi am simple loina koi environment is the kitang express to bahar pa du neba. That's number 2 the sensation by itself indicates the inactive state of mind. Habadi sensation ji leiba matam se sensation power matam se ikoi gi mind ji active oi deba inactive oiba. Then number 3 the it is devoid of knowledge and does not give any meaning. Have the sensation phangba matam se sensation gi during the process of sensation there is no meaning then devoid of knowledge have the knowledge amolite is the meaning amolite reba sensation matam dadi aduga. Next number 4 the degree of sensations are dependent on quality, intensity and the distinctness of the stimulus. Magi quality intensity me amdugi matungina koina machi loi legene bai koi kenu the sensation that these are the characteristics of the sensation. Sibabu the sensation lere ko. Then next time koi perception have dum lasi. Perception have si karino. Perception have the sensation plus meaning is called the perception. Babtai ko have the sensation ngasagi mind react to gibedo ekoina madugi plus meaning madugi meaningful definite form of knowledge the puthoraba. Have the aina uriba poto taribado definite form of knowledge the puthorapadu ekoina kai kore perception haina kaweba. It is an act of giving meaning people do neba kanada to the sensory experience kasagi sensation na pusalaiba sensory experience to the magi meaningful form that definite meaningful form the puthoraiba adubu ekoina perception haina kawre kasagi sensation da so first have yawi ko first and the immediate reactions of mind hagi ko sensation da so sida so mo perception da so perception is the first ma yauri ko first ma yauri karino first analytical stage magi mind na for ihan hana khan bahor ka doido sensation da dikhande ko perception da di it is the first analytical stage of the mind ai mind ni ihan hana khan bahor ani ba khan raga di ai ke puthok pangam moi haidi aina uriba tariba chariba do khan raga di ai ken ta haibanga moi aduna edogi have nang sagi analytical stage your matam yaure aduna perception have sidi kari da depend toge have matam da sagi interest attention and past experience maru in the past experience de aina mamang da khoi previous learning ama yaudra di pot ado what is that thing in hype singa moi aduna mostly depend upon the past experience aina mamang da ugi ba oi bata say example da ai kanom khak ai hayam khak pi ge nang na mukta jagi driba oi ga di nang jagi ba di ya ba jari du di kaino nang taste toi du di sensation ne ba but mahau du karino ai mamang da umta jagi da ba di si mahau je ai khang di umta jadri har kane ba adu di that is perception is depend upon the past experience yaning ko anduna akogi sensation plus meaning that is called the perception yani ko the definition ama khaktang so mu chida hairam ge according to Brown and Gilhausen, a perception involves an awareness of object and event that are present in the immediate environment. Sina definitions of the perception according to Brown and Gilhausen. Aduga mu perception haiba matam says da is there the perception always right? Chumdan da leibre ba koina pot ama lei kan da ina meaningful form do khando ka doi ne ba hadi pot sini hai dun tar pom tam sida perception ha jora ka doi ne ba but aina handoi ba khuding ma sa aina meaningful the form do potor iba khuding ma sa no in chumdan da leibre ba no karim kan lan ba yawi ko lan ba yawi kai kin have tan da sida aran ba makhal ani thong ai hai ge illusion than hallucination hai ba maga. There are two types of wrong perception. Illusion habidi karino there is an object but wrongly perceived pot laina laina aina seran turan khanba do dubu that is called the illusion habidi commonly ekoi day to day life to the every person's commit in our day to day life very commonly yam toina dum commit to pot ama khangni ko ada in example ma sang khakti in piram ge ekoi episode of threat we may think as a snake in the dark yadrani yai ko habiti amambada thori matat amata matamda inamado linne haina khalube yai adu lilla lindi nate ko thori mate ne ba adu poti leijana poti leine leina ina seran turan khan biba do that is called the illusion ko heba. Next number 2 gi hallucination is the very rare case yam rare ore mipung kuni makti yam common oidre si pochidi ma do kana gumba no habi matamda hallucination is false perception when the object is not there pot am bole reba pot amount itna and that is the mental disorder of imagination ai mind is the disorder la abang bu to habidi khoi gi example lam tang haija bada se heavy drunkard gumba then khoi gi drug addicts gumba aduna dragana magi yam mentally yam shock oiba event thokiba mi gumba magi mind si yam shock oi hobo sing do adu kai gi makhoi gi mind si da seran turan sum khan ba horok do pot si chu drug sum mi te seran tan he uba degi manada kai gumba khara sound khare hekta gum la kum do ba adu asugumba sing sina kai gi ha matam da hallucination haina ko ko aduna there are two types of false perception, illusion and hallucination yare ko. Next characteristics perception ki characteristics kara ma aisi khara chum ai herke. Number 1 the perception is an act of giving meaning and an active state of mind. That means perception habesity giving meaning pot amala kan the meaningful form the puthor padu ni matam du dedi kedore the active state of mind agi mind magi mind se active or ne banga sagi sensation da inactive oi gi do perception yo ka the active state of mind la ne. Number 2 the it depend on past experience and previous learning sai hai gi ni ko perception habadi past experience yaw daga the perception lai roi puthopang amoy ba past experience legado as well as the previous learning mamang the khangi ba pot oigada ne ba adu kan the perception da ko na meaningful form puthopang am doi ne ba. Then next number 3 the perception may not always be objective but be subjective, that is depend upon the nature of the mind. Habidi may not be objective but sometimes subjective. That means masi artadi kaino akoina pot to seran turan pot to di akoi matam puna pot dum oina lei roeba karim kan subjective oine ba habidi mangasai khalli ba midugi nature of mind khalli ba midugi makha pon la kan habini ko sigi characteristics number 3. Then characteristics number 4 the last one of the characteristics of perception is the perception is highly selective mental activity. Selection oigadabne koina hek uri batari khuding maksa koina kaisu loimba art pothok na te ba khara selective oiba adu oigadabani. Then difference amu koi naina se difference between the sensation and perception. Sida ina 4 points difference bige. Number 1 sensation is simple sensory experience. Yam live a simple sensory experience to never. But kadore on the other hand, the perception is a complex mental process. Sidana perception or kind of complex on to say simple one but some the simple the reactor sagi meaningful form for kadore vanina masakadore complex process socially. Then number 2 the sensation is without thinking. Sensation the khan bagi mathau ta de, past experience ki mathau ta de ko. Sensation is the without any thinking. Aduga sagi perception am la kan de dore. Perception is most important factor of thinking. Khan ragadi thol oib. Khan lagan den thol ka do ise ko. Duna important factor of thinking. Next, number 3, the sensation indicates inactive state of mind. Hanjan jo hai kare characteristics hai kare ko. Hai bi sensation hai ba sidi musai mind cha inactive oib, active oide. Duga perception dana. Perception is the active state of mind. Perception de ke dore sagi mind do active or oida ba yak ta banina active state of mind le re ko. Then last one, number 4, sensation is meaningless. Yam lai ko. Sensation is meaningless. Meaning like but perception is meaningful. Do can ba at points my arms like go to a si mari si tang live mong the elaborate to no I never live among the these are the difference between the sensation and perception. Then last one, conception habits ni ko. Conceptions na it is the highest mental process or kadoin. Mental behavior under the process of sensation, perception, and the conception. Sensation habits not Ihan Hana, gateways of knowledge, Ihan Hana Loxan Gadori, but receptor sensation. Then perception habits na like Loxal, what is that thing I didn't meaningful form the perception. Although concept habits the last one. Masina involved we have it is the highest mental process never. And the concept is an idea or understanding of what is a thing have the name. Have the concept have what is that thing? What do Garino hidden Kalakanda and it is the vital of our symbolic behavior. I mind is the Mamitale how doing it. Have the concept have see your the thing as I sensation, perception, the talkie missing the record. The concept of the selection oina. I know we take experience me am since I know Muriba lady by experience my mind loy late Kara Kadona Bagasagi Toiba Mayam Sindo, I give mind says the Mamita Hopa Sindo a double concept. Concept Tina Goeba. Hide any time like me, I should go with Yawi, then take give upon me, the Jaki, Mahom, don't go with Yawi. But Karakai Lehorido, I mind says Tunga Lehori, that is called the concept never. And the concept is doing as I give yam higher mental process or ever see the concept system. Then concept is a that it may be concept may be the idea will be then both things will be events will be persons will be then relations similar qualities and they are commonly named they are commonly mayam puna muna yanaraba pot amakakto dugi maram da agi mind is the mami da hoba dubu kai ko have mitam da conception haina ko iba adudi conception si kramain tong duna agi mind is the concept lagi have mitam da conception is direct and indirect experienced have the direct have na ko na pot oina lai ba pot sing se ko pot oina ko na concrete oina lai ba pot sing sigi experience duna kai ko have mitam da direct concept haina ko whenever. Then indirect has to go. Indirect have madam the indirect akoina tami se like sinche idea oina ko collection to do idea ne. Suppose example am I what is democracy has democracy has madam democracy is put on labor na te have aduna what is democracy aduna akoina like tamba matam se sta sai idea sing sine ba akoina collection to do se aduna akoina conception se lak matam da by direct and the indirect experience. Direct na pot oina leiba concrete oina mit na ubam pot sing na direct conception correct then indirect have na sai idea oina akhoni loksan dori ba mayam se have the relation suppose a relation has ko relation have matam se da asma diam chawbani samu muk chawbani hainai ko have the me duna samu muk chawbana te samu have samu muk chawbani hadi ma chawr mani chawba have se samu dum relation na tra angang du chawr mani have me du chawr mani have on the filter web have the relation to neba sai samu web du na te aduna sai da ko na conception da concept of the port oina leba idea oina leba then relation oina leba magi relations qualities ko achi mayam se generalize mayam pungna man yanaraba into meaningful mayam puna mana yanaraba pot amakak agi mind se da madugi mami ema taba du boy koina concept formation haina koiba aduna concept shi kamai tok duna mi akhoi how to develop the concept कमाइन तो डेवलप तो हम तंदा अखोगी पीबा आंगांग सिंग डे बाय डे दम चाखलकदोइनि माइंड सि चाखलकबई मतुंगिना माना कांटेक्ट अखोगी मागी एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंटल लेबा पोट म्याम सिंग सुम कांटेक्ट हेंगलकदोइनि अदुना नुंती गी सुम थेंगराबिना कदोरेगी मतमदा मा खंगबगी चांगि सुम हेंगलकदोइनि अदु कांसेप्ट से सुम फॉर्म तो हेंगलकदोइनि दे अहानबदा एट द बिगिनिंग अहानबदा दि कांसेप्ट से कमाइन तो फॉर्म तो गे हम तंदा एट द बिगिनिंग पर्टिकुलर हाना खंगेबा को अहानबा अखोगी पीबा आंगांग न्यूली बोर्न चाइल्ड अमना सुम डेवलप तौरक मतम से यान हाना माना खंगपसे कांसेप्ट हरकपसे कमाइन हरके मतम पर्टिकुलर हाना खंगकनेबा दैट मीन्स एग्जांपल हम हाइगे अखोइना आंगांग जे कप याम कप मतम द ममाना हेक पम कांदा आंगांग जे दुम फबा यावे फविको जे अखोइगी दुम मयाम खै हेना खंगने हाबदि आंगांग दुना कैदोरे आइडेंटिफाई तो जे माइ ममा दो हाना खंगे देखा चाखला कान माई इमुंग लेरिबा सराउंडिंग लेरिबा मागी ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स एंड फादर अतोपा मागी गार्जियंस म्याम सिंग मा तम 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 खंगे ए नाइबर खंगे सुमाय तौदना दे माना मु ममा से हाना खंगे को मी दा हारगना कोई ममा से हां खंगा दोइनेबा दुगे बोट कुंबदा हारगा सो कोई के चार्जो केट हारस को केट हाज मागी इमुंग द मा अंगांग दुना लोइना जदौरिबा केट तो अदुनेबा माना खंगदोइसे अदैदी मा खचा खला कांदि केट की मा वेराइटीज ऑफ केट में आम खाने अदुना कोइना अदगी गासागी concept formation हाइबसे कदोगी हमतमदा हाना पर्टिकुलर हाना खंगकनी देन जनरलाइज और चिना डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द गासागी माइंड से डेवलप तौगी मतुंगिना खोगी concept सिने तम 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 सुम डेवलप तौरकनेबा दे मचैसिदा खोनि एजुकेशन लाइक तम मतमदसु हाना खोनि लाइक से तमे देन आर्ट फरजना खंगकांदा मागी माइंड सेसिदा तुंगहलकांदा मदुना हैबा concept लेबा हैरकबा लाइक हैबा ओरकदोइनेबा नेक्स्ट characteristics among nainasiko some characteristics of conception. Conception is an act of naming of a class or object on consideration of their common qualities. Habadi magi conception habadi kaino habda pot adugi magi common qualities amaga loina mai maming loina na ikhoina khangba dubu kedogi habadu concept haina kawe conception kawe. The next number 2, the concept formation depend upon the depth and the vividness of knowledge and experience of an individual. Me amanang say ay hagiduni mayam lo bag kain ay no day to day life the thengna be experience puna ma haid ay lagi pa ki like puna ma ay na thengna gi puna ma loi nang sing dana kai su leite ba khara makhai ne ba ai gi mind se tunga le hodoi se adu karam karam banu hai matam da yam depth thai khara lution nai na khara gyan ta na khangi ba then vividness sport adu mayam da gi distinct oina ko mayam da gi hena distinct oiba pot haitare ko asum basing se ai gi mind se da madugi mami do ta hoeba duna masina characteristics of conception le. Then number 3, the conception may be described as either concrete or abstract, subjective or objective. Have the concept asin le matam da pot oina le bi or idea on le bi that may be concrete or abstract neighbor or subjective or objective me being kapon ba then pot kim kapon bas le ko. Then last, conception is a higher mental activity that involves observation, analysis, synthesis, abstraction, comparison and naming. Si mayam sing se loin ba hoigi concept ama is the last stage of the agi mind se develop fully develop to matam se concept mayam na develop to doine ba aduna si mayam si se jiki hairiba observation, analysis, synthesis asi mayam se loin ba change ba aduna si mayam se hoigi mental process mental behavior am saglakun tanda ngai number 1 sensation lakanda perception tholakani then perception lakanda concept formation lakani ba ado ngai number 1 and 2 steps yaw daga di khoi conception le biar aduna mind am develop no tanda sensation perception and the formation of concept sila ka doini. Then last ta aina haining abana khoi conception form tawna ba gi damakta sense training si dakar oi sense training ko sense training de khoi gi 5 sense organ se train to ma change ba khoi ni angang jing da education se pi matam se da khoi na sense training je pi re zar khaga de ke do ge mangon the mind se da ma gi concept lak matam se yam very helpful oi ge ne ba aduna aina sense training ma tang da kitang hai ge Friedrich Froebel hai ban pa German gi hai bi educationist ni masna kai no ha matam da masna who was the first to had given the concept of training of the sense in his kindergarten schools. Magi kindergarten schools sing sida mana kind of scientific design mayam torokanda khogi angang gi sense tongna bagi han han photoki ban ba do mahak ne ba ko aduna makha da khogi education ne apha by Maria Montessori Maria Montessori sisu haiba khoi doctor nupini Italian doctor nupini ma sisu kamai to ham tam da magi education habdi Montessori system mana introduce tok jaba du was education system ni asida moi na sijina isi kain habda khoi magi designed takpi ga dori ba magi tambi ga dori ba education do adoi da mana et and apparatus me ama design tor ga scientific design tor da moina tambi ba like se example am tang hage koina says that apple line tak to ni A for apple hai do ni angang sida ko A double P L E apple hai tak to ni ba ko angang sida ado somda design pu thorga sense training torga tak to sina kamai takani apple se original apple se pu thoga that is an apple is red then kaim kan da picture ga apple is sweet swain tak do ba ado ga dinga sai gi A double P L E na ko tak khib du ga somda sense training sijina kan da apple angang du picture ga yeng halaga pahel laga takiba angang du ani du gi comparison torok matam dang sai gi sense training tong ki angang du soi dan dum hen gi ne aduna ko ni concept form torok matam se da ko na sense training yam darkar oi the measurement on matam da ko ni scale gum ba he pi ba mango da on bagi niom se hek tak pi ba wa juma adagi ko na kari gum ba magi ko gi touching khoi theng ba ko pa se da khara example khara chum to ba ya ba habidi ko no se koino block sipira kanda that is smooth and that is rough haidi amana kadak lauba amana rough hoiba pahela yeng doini cinnamon mon lauba ni ko sina kadak lauba ni that is ising asaba khar thamaga yeng ba thamaga so oiba ya lupalaga that is hot and this is cold angang danu khangandra abdi asaba sina sini aying ba sini ma nga sagi sense to train to horba ni do hen haidoi ne ba ko adagi ahoina yam light oiba then heavy oiba yam yang ba pochina kai gawi then yam lumba sina kai gawi singba si jo khoina poching ji sijina ga ngang da takra ga di my concept jo hen mango da hen ne lai ne then dagi khoina sound box hearing gi ha khoi ta ba gi hearing gi khoi gi har ga su sound box kumba sijina ga khoina learning of language to language me am tambi ba da khoina sound box sijina ba ya then pronunciation kamai to ngang ga dagi mai to da ma khoi ji da khoi gi sound box kumba sijina ga tamba ya adu mai to na khoi gi angang chingda khoi sense organs manga si sense train tor ga lyrics sum ta khib tara ga di maduna ka dog de have tam da that is very effectful ko yam effect oigani then angang du da hena my concept formation da hena matik jagane matang se da inga sigi para habdi unit number 2 gi last chapter sensation perception and conception se swaida loire duga mathang dana unit number 3 gi adum tatharak se